Welcome to another Loyal and Save training. In this session, we'll be covering how to create campaigns. Campaigns are used to push deals or token earning promotions, which help drive up sales for a given set of products. To navigate to the Campaigns module, on the left side of the menu, click on Loyalty, Campaigns. To create a campaign, click on Add New, Static Tokens. From here, you will set the number of tokens that will be awarded to the customer when specific products are purchased. Each product will be designated to have its own token value. Under the campaign filters, you can either select a department whitelist or an item whitelist. In this scenario, we'll be selecting item whitelist. Add filter. Then click on the Manage button. Select the items you wish to include on your whitelist, and then click on the green arrow to move them over to the selected list. From here, you can designate each product to have its own token value. Every time a customer purchases an energy drink, they can receive 10 tokens, or each product can have its own individual token value. To change all token values, click on the Change All Point Values. From here, you can set the number of tokens for all the products, and then click on Apply. Then click on Apply again. For more information, please visit loyalandsave.com.